Hey guys, welcome to Abduction Fishing. It's Dylan and Kyle, day 2. I'm really tired, so I really don't want to explain what we're doing, so Kyle's going to actually take over from this point on.
Great. We're going to be heading to a spot that we know. We're going to fish the beach. Not too rough water, but it's going to be fun. We'll keep you updated with any fish we catch.
Yeah, we're not really planning on throwing anything heavy. Honestly, the heaviest is 3/4 ounce, if that, because half ounce is pretty good. Throw a curly tail. We're talking about half ounce spros. I use the eel. The chrome works really well. And you just put a curly tail right on the back or any kind of small paddle tail. Like I said in the previous video when we were doing micro bass, those Kitex work really well. And you just put them on. Alright.
Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom. Never gave up. Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom. Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom.
Dylan just went swimming. Dylan, how was your little swim just now? Yeah? How's the water temp? Refreshing. Good to know.
Never gave up. Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom. Never gave up.
on some fish today. Actually, a lot of fish. Like a total of 15. I dropped 3. I think Kyle dropped 2. You know, you don't ever go by what you drop. You go by what you actually had. It was ½ ounce, 3/4 ounce Spros. They went after the eel again. We've put chartreuse gulp on it, the Berkley chartreuse gulp. What are those, the mullets?
Yes, green swim, chartreuse swimming mullets.
Yeah, we used those, and we didn't. I personally didn't switch over. Kyle was throwing a ½ ounce gag, but
Kyle gags, chartreuse with red flake prototype.
But you know, we were more concentrated on the Spros because that's what they were hitting. It was very small bait, small fish, like we said, micro bass. I was using a Shimano Claris. I don't even know what it's rated. I think it's like ½ ounce to 3/8, maybe. I don't even know, honestly. But it's light. Using Quantum Smoke inshore. Yet again, I don't even know the size. I bought it years ago. I really don't know. But I just put 15-pound Green Moss Power Pro on it. Yeah, I had 15 pounds blue camo spider wire, but I barely had any line left on it, so I just decided to switch it out, start new. You know, go back to the tried and true. Tried and true or tried and true? Tried and true. Well, that was that. You know, 15 micro bass, had fun, light stuff. Kyle was using a Dark Matter.
Shimano, or
Sloopster Dark Matter.
Had my Van Stall on it, brand new Van Stall, just got it this winter, felt good to put some fish on it.